Good morning to dear student. Today we will read a new chapter of English reader, chapter number 6. The chapter name is Please Leave a Message by Neera Haril. Okay, it is a new chapter. Chapter is about leaving a message. Okay. Doody was alone at home. Doody's parents, Dina and Sholmo, had gone out. Doody was alone at home. Means Doody अकेले था घर पे. Okay, Doody's parents, Tina and Sholmo, had gone out. Doody's parents, his mother and father. Okay, mother is Dina and Sholmo is his father. Gone out. The house was very quiet. Suddenly, the phone rang. The house was very quiet because no one in the home. Only Doody is in home, and suddenly the phone rang. Doody lifted the receiver. Okay, देखो, you can see this is a receiver. He lifted the receiver. A woman voice said, "Hello, please may I speak with Dina?" Okay, a woman voice came out from the receiver and she said, "Can I speak with Dina?" Dina means Doody's mother. "Hello, mother isn't home," Doody's replied. Okay, Doody replied that mother is not at home. Okay, "Could I leave a message, please?" she asked. Okay, the woman from the phone, okay, she tell to Doody that could I leave a message or can I leave a message. मैं क्या मैसेज एक छोड़ सकती हूँ, क्या मैं एक मैसेज दे सकती हूँ प्लीज़. शी आस्क्ड. ओके, फर्स्ट उसने पूछा. शी आस्क्ड. येस यू कुड, डूडी सेड. ओके, डूडी सेड येस यू कुड लीव अ मैसेज, देयर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम. Please tell her that she had an appointment with the dentist at 7 tomorrow morning. Okay, please tell her that. Who told? That woman told to Doody that please tell your mother that tomorrow morning you have a appointment with the dentist. Okay, at 7. Okay, bye, Doody said and hung up. Okay, then Doody said to the woman, okay, bye, and they hung up the phone. Okay, hung up means ended the telephone call. Okay, they ended the telephone call. What if I forgot the message? Doody thought, what if I forgot the message, what will happen? अगर वो भूल गया वो मैसेज तो क्या होगा? डूडी ने थिंक किया. Okay, he became worried and then he had an idea. He would write it down. Then afterwards he become worried. Okay, what will I do if I forgot the message, if I cannot give the message, correct message to my mother? Then he thought and started write it down, try to write it down. Okay, but Doody did not know how to write yet, so he decided to draw. He took a sheet of paper, a pencil and started drawing. But what happened? Doody did not know how to write a message. Okay, so he thought that if then I have to draw the message, then it will be very easy to explain to their parents. Okay, then he started to draw in a piece of paper. Okay, in a sheet of paper, a pencil, and started drawing with a pencil, and he started drawing the message. He drew a woman with her mouth open and 7 teeth outside. Okay, he drew a woman. Okay, because the woman called earlier, who called for the message for his mother, that is a woman. That's why he drew a woman and with 7 teeth. Okay, 7 teeth means 7 in the morning. The 7 teeth is explaining that 7 in the morning. Okay, he drew this picture. Now all Doody had to do was look at the picture to remember the message. Okay, Doody felt very pleased. Okay, then what happened? Means Doody had to draw and look at the picture to remember the message. Means वो picture को देख के अब message को याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि yes, what was the message and I have to tell my mother this message. And he felt very pleased. Pleased means very happy. Okay, he was feel very happy. The phone rang again. Again the phone rang. Okay. Hello, a man's voice said. Is Sholmo home? Okay. Hello, a man voice. From the phone, a man voice came out and he is asking for his father, Sholmo. Okay. Hello, no, he isn't, Doody replied. Doody replied, what? No, he isn't at home. Will you please take a message? The man asked. Please tell him that Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit him tonight. Okay. So will you please a message? Okay. Then again, the man from the phone, he asked to Doody that can you please transfer the message to Sholmo, means your father, that a man is coming tonight to meet your father. The man name is Mr. Thomas Wolfe. Okay, said Doody. Doody said, okay, I will give the message to my father. Thank you, the man said. Thank you, man. The man said, thank you. You're welcome, said Doody and hung up the phone. Again, you're welcome, Doody said, and no, that Doody said and hung up the phone. This message was very simple. This message was very simple for Doody to give the message to his father. Did Doody draw a forest and a wolf? Okay, he draw what? A forest and a wolf. Why he draw wolf? Because the name of the person is Mr. Thomas Wolfe. That's why he draw a wolf. He added some dark light with his pencil because the wolf would come to see the father in the evening. Then he added dark line. Okay, dark line in his pencil because the means the Mr. Thomas Wolfe, the man who was coming tonight to meet his father, is tonight. Okay, it is in the evening. That's why he dark with the pencil. Now he had two messages to deliver, one for mother and one for father. Okay, means he have to deliver two messages to his father and mother. Okay, you can see here is two picture. Okay, one for his mother, a woman, 7 teeth. Okay, means 7 morning she have an appointment with the dentist. Okay, that's why the first picture is this, and the second picture message is for his father, that wolf and the dark night. Okay, means it is in the evening Mr. Thomas Wolfe will come and meet your father. Okay, this was the two message he have to deliver to his parents. Someone rang the doorbell. Then afterwards, after he drew the drawing, then someone ring the doorbell. We are back, Doody, his father said. Okay, his father came to home and he said, we are back. Did anyone call? His mother asked. Okay, his mother asked, did anyone call? Yes, a woman and a man. I took down their message for you, Doody said. Doody said, yes, a woman and a man called. I took down. Okay, means I take down their message for you, both of you. Okay. You took them down. They asked together means दोनों मिलके एक साथ पूछे. You took them down means you write it down, or means how you took, means how you write the message and how you remember the message. Okay. Yes, Doody said. Here they are. Doody showed his parents his drawing. Okay, Doody said, yes, I took it down, and here the message he gave to the message. You can see a picture here, mother having the dentist, the woman picture, and father having the wolf picture. Okay, then what happened? You took them down. They asked together. Okay, they looked at the drawings, then they looked at each other. Doody parents did not understand anything. Okay, they took at the picture and they looked at each other, means father and mother. First they see the picture, then they are looking both to each other. What happened? They did not understand the picture. Okay, do you understand the picture, Doody? His parents asked him. His parents, both the mother and father, asked Doody that, did you understand the picture? Of course, Doody replied, yes, I understand the picture. He looked at his drawing and gave his parents both the message with no mistake. Okay, then what happened? He looked at his drawing, okay, and gave his parents correct message without any mistake. Okay, means उसने अपना drawing तो खुद बनाया था. Then he remembered the message, what the man and what the woman said, and he gave the father and mother the correct message without any mistake. His parents were very happy. Doody felt very proud. Okay, then what happened? Then his parents was very happy because means when their son was alone. Okay, he take a message, an important both are the important message, and transferred to their parents, and Dudi felt very proud, and Dudi also felt very proud that proud means very happy that he did something very well. Okay, means वो उसने उसे बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ. प्राउड इट मीन्स दैट वो बहुत खुश था, और उसे किस बात की इतनी खुशी थी, क्योंकि उसने बहुत अच्छा कुछ किया. ओके, so with this the chapter is finished. Thank you.